Welcome to day 5 of this 2020 series in which we reply to your questions on digital marketing. Before we move ahead with today's question, I would like to thank all of you for the amazing response that you have given to this series. Also, since we are replying to one question each day, there might be certain delay in replying to your question. Please be patient. We are trying our best to reply to all the questions that we receive. Our today's question has come through our LinkedIn company page, and the question is asked by Ms. Bhavya Sharma. Her question is, if I already have a website for my company, is there any separate advantage that I get through digital marketing? As per a recent study, there are more than 700 million internet users in India in 2020. This figure itself shows you how big the opportunity is if your business has a strong digital presence. The main advantage of digital marketing is that you can reach out to your target audience based on their age, location, gender, the kind of websites that they visit, their hobbies, their industry, or even their designation. This kind of detailed targeting is not available with the traditional means of marketing. Unlike traditional marketing, digital marketing gives you an option to do A/B testing, which means you can experiment with different captions, with different creatives, and see which of those combinations are working better for you. You also get the flexibility to define your budget on a daily, monthly, or a campaign basis. After doing all the hard work with your campaigns, you obviously want to know which campaign has given you a better ROI. And that's where the analytics from the digital marketing campaigns can help you understand which campaign has performed better, which platform has worked better for your business, which page of your website is more popular with your customers, how much time are they spending on the website, which city, which country are they visiting your website from. All these insights can help you improvise your future campaigns and strategize in a much better way. Having a strong digital presence also means that businesses can get real-time feedback from their customers. You can respond to them much faster if you are active on social media or on other platforms where you can engage directly with your customers. Most importantly, you will also be able to showcase the positive feedback from your customers and share it with your audience so that they understand what it means to do business with your company. Bhavya, I hope you have found this information useful. Well, this brings us to the end of day 4. Do keep sending us your questions and we will definitely try to reply to them in this series. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.